Here any number or here any number. For example, x is 0. X is 0. 0 plus y is y equal 3. Here any number or here any number. For example, y is 0. X plus 0 is x equal 3. X is 0, therefore in y is 3, negative, positive. 3 is here. Point in y because x is 0. Y is 0, therefore in x is 3, positive, negative, positive. 3 is here. Point in x because y is 0. Okay.